Wow, I'm sleeping, dude. Oh. Papa is coming, don't worry. हाहा, सो पापा लेके आए हैं आपके लिए आज प्रोडक्ट रिव्यू गुरुजी टेक्निकल. व्हाट? लॉन्ग स्टोरी शॉर्ट, स्लीपी नहीं, स्लीप कंपनी, सॉरी, has sent me the XGen Pro gaming chair. We will divide this video into few parts. पहला होगा obviously unboxing, फिर getting the chair ready, setup कितना easy है, and then it will be my first impressions, क्या features हैं इस chair के, and end of the video पापा सार का special spark plug दिया जाएगा इस chair को. So let's start with the unboxing. Let's see क्या है इसमें, क्या खजाना है. Is there really chair in this or something else? Huh? God. Okay, एक और स्टोरी, कैसे मेरे को ये चेयर मिली. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई डिडंट पे फॉर इट. ओके, स्लीप कंपनी सेंड मी दिस चेयर. हैज बीन नोटिसिंग दैट माय ओल्ड चेयर, जो पुरानी चेयर है, ग्रीन सोल, वो भी गेमिंग चेयर है, was not in a good condition. That chair is older than Papa. It works but not comfortable anymore. And I was thinking कि हाँ टाइम हो चुका है मेरे को अपग्रेड करने का. But वही doesn't make sense to spend so much money on gaming chair, on a chair. You know what? It does make sense because जब मैं उठता हूँ उस टाइम से लेकर जब तक सोता हूँ, I am on my computer because मैं घर से काम करता हूँ and I do editing, streaming, content creation, gaming, सब कुछ वहीं पे होता है. तो जहाँ पे आप सबसे ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करते हो, you should spend good money also there to get the best comfort, and you know, functionality wise also should be good. And it was about time to invest in a good chair, but sleep company was like, you know what, I don't want to make money, I'll give you free stuff. So sleep company, thank you so much. Thank you. Anyways, let's take out the stuff. Assembly instruction, which Papa is really bad at, but it's there, so it's gonna help me a lot. The backrest, nice red color accent, very cool, very cool. Let's कुछ parts जो लगाने होंगे. Ooh, this seems heavy, sturdy. This is the bottom part of the chair. Damn, it is heavy, man. Fuck. I'll say feels reliable. Oh, the cushion, I think this is for the backrest. I have no idea what is this. Okay, this is the hydraulic system, I guess. Oh my god, my ass rester. The ass comfort cushion. Heavy, dude. This is the heavy stuff. Fuck. The ass cushion. I think this is the headrest. Is it? Don't know. We'll check. We'll come to know. Damn, I'm already tired. I'm sure we need toolbox for this, जो बहुत ही rarely utilize होता है. आज काम आएगा क्योंकि पापा ज़्यादातर इन सब काम नहीं करते हैं. If I'm not wrong, this one cost around 24,000. इसका लिंक जो है डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैं डाल दूंगा, so that you guys also can check it out. एंड में डिसाइड करेंगे is it worth 24,000 rupees. Let's see. और क्या फीचर्स है इसके, वो भी हम लोग एंड में देखेंगे. We got the wheels, all the nuts and bolts. Nice. This will just go directly inside. Bruh. Go inside. Bruh. Okay, that was simple. All the wheels attached. Let's go to the next part. World War II में ग्रेनेड नहीं फेंकते तो वैसे ही लग रहा है. Here's my notes. I'll fail. Okay. Okay. The spaceship is ready. This much. Okay, nice. My God, there are a lot of bolts. Okay, we have to start. Actually, I didn't need my tools. They gave me Allen key and everything. Pretty sorted here. बस यहाँ पे 4 बोल्ट लगाने हैं. Gloves उतारने पड़ेंगे, boys. This is gonna get dirty. Okay. Chair के, oh my God. Chair के नीचे bolts लग चुके हैं. There's a lot of bolts I have to put. So I did the base section. There was a footrest also, which I couldn't understand how to do it. It took me some time. As I said, I'm not that great, with tools. Anyways, let's continue. Now we got to fit the backrest onto the base. Let's do that. You know what? After we finish fitting this, I'm gonna give my rating on how difficult it is to set it up. This is just go. Oh, I have to put bolts. Okay, guys, I'll be back again after putting the millionth bowl. Though actually there's not many. I'm slow at it. I think it took me like an hour. I have set up the top part. Oh my God, it's fucking heavy. That means it's sturdy. Last part, I need to put this on top of this tripod, and then we are done. Let's go. Where the hell is the hole? That's what he said. He said, let's go. 1, 2. Fuck, I just hope I don't break anything. Ah! Now, I hope it won't go in my ass. Oh wow. I think we are done. Yes! Yes! I think we are done. Few more things to put on it. And I think this bad boy will be ready. Okay, we have, ooh, that is soft. Makhmali. Wow. I think this is the backrest. Let's keep it here. And last but not the least, there you go. Whoa, we finished it. Okay, check that seat out. Wow. I feel accomplished. Papa, I'm gonna take this off. I'm tired. Assembly, is it easy? मैंने पहले ही बोला कि I am not that great with tools, okay? Especially assembling stuff. Looks like my parents didn't give me enough Legos. Okay, how much spark plug will I give? How easy it is to assemble this chair? 5 being the easiest, 1 being very difficult. It's in the middle. 3 spark plug. The instructions they provided na is precise. It's not that difficult, but it's heavy. You have to move it, lift it, and then push it. It takes effort. If my wife was there at home right now, it would have been much more easier. And I think someone who loves building stuff, he will enjoy putting this seat together. Anyways, now comes to the comfort part. Let's see the first impression. How about that? First of all, there is a backrest which they have provided. Makhmal type, full silky smooth, guys. Wow. And good lumbar support. Then you have your neck rest also. Pretty cool. I love it. Then what do I see? I see this is fully adjustable for your hands. Fully adjustable. This actually comes helpful for me when I'm playing games. I'm playing like for 3 hours and your hand starts paining na. So what happens now? I can rest my hand easily, bring it to the level of my desk, and then easily move your hands around and rest. Also when you're editing, you can keep it at the level of your desk and then becomes comfortable for your hands. We can move it to a different angle also, whichever angle you like. Modular, nice. Build quality, plasticky, but it doesn't work. This one is full metal down below. That is nice. Seat-wise, seat comfort, nice man. I think I can sit on it easily for hours and hours and not feel any pain in a bum. Let's see how's this thing works. Okay, can go. Whoa, I can go a lot back. Okay, I heard we can go all the way back. Oh fuck, dude, we can. Wow, I'm sleeping, dude. It became a bed. Dude, it's a bed now. This is like those PewDiePie wala chair. What the fuck? Will I fall if I do too much like this? No man, this is. I thought if I move a lot, I'll fall. No man, it is very sturdy. Let's bring it back. Oh, we have a leg rest also. There you go. There's the leg rest. Oh, there you go. Ooh, leg rest. Ooh, fancy. Oh, now we can sleep aram se. Whoa. Whoa. Damn nice. I'm loving this. This is a proper upgrade for me, dude. Yeah, now you can go back. One more bed in the house, guys. Now I can just sleep off. Okay, let's bring it back. Wah! That was nice. So basically, the day I have a bad fight with waifu and she's like, get out of my room, I have a place to sleep. Yes, thank you sleep company. Again, मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, this is the XGen Pro gaming chair. It comes with patented smart grid technology for comfort. Cool, patented. Basically, it's soft on your body, but it's firm on your posture, giving you a good posture while you're working all day long or playing all day long on the seat. It's not like you start going inside the seat and you get a 4D armrest, which you also saw. Damn cool, you can move it all around. Basically, the chair has been designed so that you can game for hours and hours or work for hours and hours. Mostly gaming for me, working ka to pata nahi mere ko. I loved it. It was a good upgrade to my old chair. And if you want to check out this chair, iska link jo hoga aapko mere description mein mil jayega. Also, do not forget to use Papa5 for some discount. That is the referral code on their website when you're checking out. Oh wow, I'm gonna replace my old chair. Maybe I'll give it to my wife. Dude, comfort part, I think easy 5 spark plug, not because they have given me a free chair. Trust me guys, it is comfortable. The back rest, the neck rest, you know, it is firm, but I'm comfortable in it. So I'll give it a 5 spark plug. Then comes to the modularity, like how much you can move around, dude. You can sleep on this, you can go how much ever back you want, you can move your hand rest how you want, you know, you can go up and down, that is normal. For me, the plus point is this, going all the way back. Can your chair do this? No, it can't. No, it can't. Only this one. For that itself, for making it a bed, I'll give it a 5 spark plug, dude. You just sleep off while gaming, wake up again, start gaming again. Not a life I live anymore, but once upon a time, yes. Lovely chair once again. Hope you guys liked this chair. Do check out Sleep Company, and thank you so much for Sleep Company for sending me a new chair.